Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to withdraw your money from Pocket Option to your bank card, guys. So in most cases, you will have a Visa or MasterCard, and I'll show you how to withdraw your money from Pocket Option. So first of all, you need to open pocketoption.com. You need to log into your account. And once you are logged in, then in the left menu, you need to go to the finance and then withdrawal, or just click your profile icon in the top right and go directly to withdrawal section. When you go to this page, you will see your available balance. You can see minimum withdrawal amount is $10 and withdrawal process becomes available after you will deposit on your account, guys. If you have not deposited yet, you won't be able to withdraw your money. Typically, a withdrawal request is proceed automatically and takes few minutes, but in some cases, it might take up to 3 business days, guys. So to withdraw your money to your bank card, you need to first of all deposit money using that card, guys. So first of all, deposit money using your, for example, Visa card to Pocket Option, and then you can withdraw your balance to your card from this page, guys. So you need to go to withdrawals, select your bank card, and withdraw your money to your bank Visa card or MasterCard or any other cards, guys. So that's all I want to show you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.